Mangrove forests are vital ecosystems that thrive along the coastlines of tropical and subtropical regions, offering a unique blend of terrestrial and marine environments. In India, these extraordinary ecosystems play a crucial role in safeguarding coastal areas, supporting biodiversity, and providing numerous ecological and economic benefits. This article explores the significance of mangrove forests in India, their conservation efforts, and their impact on the environment and communities. The rich biodiversity of Indian mangroves. India is blessed with a diverse array of mangrove species found along its extensive coastline, spanning states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Among the prominent species are the Sundarbans mangroves, which form the largest mangrove forest in the world and are located in the delta region of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers. These mangroves provide a vital habitat for a plethora of species, including several endangered ones, such as the Bengal tiger, saltwater crocodile, Indian python, and Indian pangolin. The Sundarbans, in particular, is renowned for its population of Bengal tigers, and the mangroves act as a natural barrier between these apex predators and the densely populated human settlements along the coast. Environmental benefits. Coastal protection. Mangrove forests act as natural buffers against coastal erosion, protecting communities and infrastructure from the ravages of storms, high tides, and sea level rise. Their dense root systems stabilize the shoreline and reduce the impact of waves. Carbon sequestration. These ecosystems are exceptional carbon sinks, absorbing and storing large amounts of atmospheric carbon dioxide. This helps mitigate climate change by reducing greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere. Biodiversity. Hotspots. Mangroves are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, contributing to global biodiversity. They serve as nurseries for various fish species, including commercially important ones, supporting fisheries and livelihoods. Water filtration. Mangroves act as natural water purifiers, filtering out pollutants and trapping sediments. They improve water quality in coastal areas, benefiting both marine life and local